Welcome to the project demonstration of development of ECG monitoring system using Zigbee and MATLAB. So here mainly we are going to send the ECG signals to the MATLAB screen through the Zigbee module. So here we are using AD8232 which is working as a ECG module which will take the electrode signals and that will be converted into the digital as well as analog output. Digital nothing but C0, C1 which are going to detect the lead out and lead in plus minus signals, means to detect whether the leads are properly connected or not. And the next A0 to get the ECG readings, that is nothing but the analog voltage readings, and that will be converted into the serial using this PIC16F72 microcontroller. We are using the PIC board which is used to convert this analog signals to the digital signal, serial signal. So this analog signals will be transmitted to the receiver section which will be connected to the MATLAB. This is a laptop screen. So these are the two wireless communication modules Zigbee we are using here, and that was interfaced at the pin number B0, B1. The received signal will be given as input to the laptop through this USB to TTL converter, so which is mainly used to convert the TTL data, nothing but transistor data logic received from this Zigbee module, and that will be converted to the USB data as the MATLAB laptop can read the USB data directly. And we need to install the respective application, that is PL2303 application. We will explain you that. And these are the main input output connections. The system will get the power supply from this adapter. We need to provide the 230 volts AC input to this one, and next the system will this adapter will regulate that 230 volts AC to 5 volts of DC output directly. Right, so before connecting the kit to your body, means these electrodes, so we need to set up the laptop with the settings, main settings. We will explain you them. So here's the application, that's PL2303 application, which we are going to provide you that. Install this application, and while installation, if it is asked for .NET update, please update the .NET. And next go on installation of this, and end of the installation it will ask you to insert USB to TTL converter. So you can, if there is any error, just right. So again, just install this. If you have any error, like ignore them, you can select the ignore, and now at the end of this it will ask you to insert the USB to TTL. So now insert this to the any one of the USB slots of a laptop, and then click on continue. But here next, don't restart, select no, this is very important, and finish that. After installation successfully done, now click on this right click on this PC, and now go to device manage, and in that device manager options manage, then go to device manager. There we can see the ports. Here you can observe that the ports. Okay, so here you can see the prolific USB to serial COM port 33. Remember this COM number. Now in my case 33 is the COM number of our USB to TTL converter here. So instead of that, if it is showing any error like contact vendor like that, now go to, if it's instead of showing this COM number, if any error, then go to update driver. So browse my computer, let me pick from the list. Here you need to select this 2008 version. Okay, now next, means we need to downdate that. Right, at the end of that you'll get the COM number again. So now we will provide you the project codes. Right, so this is the code we have mailed you already. So that's the ECG plotting using MATLAB and smoothline.p. So we should place these two files without changing any name in one folder. And now click on this. So when we click on this, automatically it will be opened into the MATLAB screen. So this is the code. Okay, and now as of now we got the COM number as 33. Only we need to change that COM number 33 here. So in your case, if you get COM number 07 or like that, same we need to enter the same COM number over here. Okay, so then after that we have connected this, and now we need to mount these probes on your hand properly. Right, let me mount that. So that we need to mount the electrodes like this. So these there's written as R for right, and here also right, and this one is a left. So mount these electrodes as I mentioned in the video, and just on the power supply to this board, and these extra electrodes like ECG probes we are going to provide you that you can use them because they use and throw. And after we have inserted here, you can see that after we mounted on the power supply, then automatically it's keep on sending the data here. Now open the code, just change the COM number as we have discussed initially. Now just run here. So after we click on here, you'll get this tab of run. Now run the code. So wait till the ECG plot got opened. Right, it's keep on sending the ECG signals to this MATLAB through the USB to digital converter and wireless communication here. Okay, and this is the transmitter section. So the transmitters keep on sending the ECG signals of the person, those who mounted this ECG electrodes. Till we disable this, let's keep on uploading the data. Once we close this, again we can reopen the MATLAB to get the fresh live data again of this ECG signals. Thank you.